Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another data type of Redis. So that is sorted set. So let's get started with today's video. So firstly, let's see what is sorted sets. So sorted sets are also similar to sets, but sets are unordered and sorted sets are sorted according to their scores. Sorted set is basically ordered collection of unique strings. So now let's see some basic commands. So zadd you can see to add a new member into sorted set. So if member already exists, the score is updated. So then zrank you can get the members inside a given range. Zrank is to get the rank of the provided member according to the scores basically. Then rem is to remove any element, increment by is to increment the score of a member, and then zcar is to get the number of members in a set, sorted set. So now first let's start with zadd. So zadd you can use to add members. So now let's write redis :z add, and first you need to pass that is your key. So let's add ss set example. So then you need to pass your score and then value. So value let's say first, and then let's add another one with score 2 and let's give value second. So now let's print the sorted set. So write dd redis. So zrank we will be using to print the set. So here write first ss example key you need to pass. So after that you need to pass your start and stop basically. So let me show you documentation as well. So start and stop basically are your indexes, that from where and to which you want to fetch the range. So if you pass out of indexes, then it will return like an empty list. So here let's get from 1 to 3. As 3 we don't have, but let's see 1 to 3. So refresh. So you can see at one position I was having second, so it printed that. So now let me start index with 0. So 0 to 3. So then now let's go and check. So here you can see now I'm getting both the elements 0 and 1. So one option is that if you want to get with scores, then you need to pass with scores. And now let's check. So here you can see first is having first and second is having second score. So now next is zrank. So it returns the rank of like member according to the scores. So now let's change this dd to printar. And now let's dd one more, and here write redis zrank, pass first key that is set example. So now value you pass second time passing. So now let's check this rank. So refresh here. So here you can see our set and rank is one of that. So now let's see with the scores. So now similar way pass after second with score. So remove as only score we need. So now check in browser. So here you can see now according to score 1 and 2 scores are coming. So now next let's see to remove an element. For that we'll be using zrem. So you need to pass the value only, that which one you want to remove. So here let's print our again after delete, and now let's comment this dd. Now inside this we will be deleting our record. So write redis z remove. So now write key as set example, and now let's delete first element. Now let's go and check. So refresh. So now you can see second array is having only second element, first one is removed. So now let's see zcount. So zcount will return the number of members in your sorted set. So you can also define minimum and max, so it will give you in the range. So now let's see. So remove this and write zcount. Also remove other parameters. So min max let's pass, let's say 1 to 5. Let's say 0 to 5. So here you can see 2 as 2 members we have. So now let me pass 0 to 1 only. So then now it's returning 1. So that's all in this video. I've shown you some basic commands of sorted sets. So you can try more commands and get hands of it. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.